Tervis sõbrad, täna mängime Gunland Saksi. Teeme täna esimest missiooni ja praegu alguses vabandan ette ära, et mu arvuti võib hullult lägata. Ja kuna ma mängin läppaka peal, siis ma loodan, et te saate sellest aru. Kuna mul ise on prooviks tehtud esimene missioon ära, siis ma teen seda uuesti. Ja täna mängime normali peal.
Ghost recon team operating in the city, assisting the Mexican military. They're pinned attacked by enemy armor and need air support fast. Ghost Fleet will designate targets for you once you're on station. Your designation is far support. Now go get them. Ghost Leader to air! Begin your attack! Engaging now! Enemy forces are closing on the Ghost! Weapon launch. Ground target confirmed destroyed. Ghost Leader be advised. Black Hawk 5 is en route to rally point for extraction. ETA 5 minutes. The Ghosts are under attack! I've got rebel helos active in your area. Engage at will. Be advised, I'm picking up rebel helos in your area. Clear to engage. I think this target, take it out! Support is on the way! This is Ghost Fleet! Enemy tanks are closing in! Mitchell! Respond!
Hold it together, man! We'll keep them off the back! Ground target destroyed! Good kill, Captain.
We're getting hit hard by enemy tanks and technicals!
Lead has a missile kill.
The Ghosts are getting hit! There are no enemy forces around the Ghosts. Enemy attack helos inbound. Clear to engage.
Ihan niin kuin mitkäsin. Kaikki olekaan vaan vittu. Kierrentämä ja lähdä. Mikä on johtuus? Kielkikin sai vispo raketilla liittää.
This is Citadel. I've got enemy attack helos inbound at this time. Engage and destroy. Target designated. More support, take it out.
More support copies, ground. Ordnance is on the way.
Ghost Leader, I need a sit rep. What's your situation? This is Ghost Leader. We cleared the LZ and are setting up defensive positions to receive the hostile.
Oi ei.
Copy that.
That's
Good luck.
bad.
You've got him locked. Let him have it.
Bandit shot down.
Good kill.
Lead has a missile kill.
You've got a lock, Flight Leader. Fire at will.
Good kill, Shane.
Usko ujummeltu. Se on nopikas.
You've got him locked. Let him have good hit, boss.
Katsotaan ja onneksi ihan kylmäsaassa siellä oli pari vähän kuin
Good lock. Fire at will.
Lead has a missile kill.
That was some outstanding work, Crenshaw. But my guys aren't out of the woods yet. I'm sending in a helo to extract Mitchell's team now. But they'll need you to escort them safely back across the border.
Copy that. Rolling in now.
Hawks Flight, this is Citadel. I'm picking up bandits dead ahead. Rebel aircraft are moving to intercept. Engage the bandits, Hawks. Take them out.
They're dead and they don't even know it. Looks like the rebels want payback for taking out their tanks.
Need on kurjat.
Use your ERS to engage and destroy the bandits.
Nendega ma ei soovita mängida. Sest kui nad targeti ära lokivad, siis
No joy. Keep throttled on.
ütleme siis sa võid olla kindel, et sa saad pihta. No said sa pihta, aga sa ei saanud
You're
tulla.
halfway
tere tulemast võõrale maale suud. No ma ei tea, kui suured sõbrad on teil raketid, aga ütleme siis nii. Mulle on nad suhti head sõbrad. Kui
I've got another flight of bandits heading for the helo. Copy that. Engaging now.
ja mul on veel sõbrad.
Enemy dead ahead. Nailed him. Easy. Chief, there's still got bandits all over my scope. I got your back, Alan. Let's do this.
Keego oli nii kuri ja saatis veel raketid. No terve, kes sullegi?
Hawk 2, tracking.
Oi. Ja siis üks target on laske, et siis
Good
ei
shot.
ole sul mitte ühtegi vaba raketti,
Go
eks ole.
vertical, Talon. Select zone 4 and grab
Maailma
the
parim
sky.
lahendus.
Damn it! He crit me on that last pass, but I think I'm still okay.
Ei ole võimalik.
Incoming missile, evade, evade.
Ja sai raketista.
Gun range. Missile launch.
Lämpittävä. Ja läks mööda.
Slightly, you've got a bandit
Ei
on
ole
your tail.
võimalik. Pullitsa minuga vai jälle missil vai?
Fox 2.
Ja yksi kuppa
Heads up, flight leader. A bandit's got you locked
ja
up.
yksi joppaa voidaan loppuun ära.
Showing clean separation. Missile inbound. Hit your
Ja jälle yksi.
No joy, Captain. You missed the target. That's a miss. Engage target again.
No niin. Lokki ära.
Nailed him. He's finished.
Lukutta. Nyt.
Good separation. Target destroyed.
Oi. Se käis päris niin allera.
Good kill, Captain. Fox 2. Clean separation.
Vähemalt ilus
That's the
vaatepilt
last of
oli.
the bandits. Citadel, on the Ghost Airborne. Ghost Lead, this is Hawks Flight. What's your status? We're
clear,
clear,
Hawks
Hawks
Flight.
Flight. Thanks for the rescue. We won't forget this, I promise you. This is Citadel. My scopes are clear. Black Hawk 5 is exiting the zone now.
Ja.
Hey, Talon, what are you gonna do after they disband the squadron? Transfer? I've been
Aika
thinking about
mittava
going
ilma.
into the private sector.
No, that's
Artemis
it, what?
Global Security is recruiting. Offered me $100,000 as a sign-up bonus. Hey, Crenshaw, did Artemis contact you too? We ought to sign up as a crew. Bet they'd even let us fly together.
This is General Keating. I want to thank you once again for pulling my men out of the fire. We owe you one. Just between you and me, I think the Air Force is making a big mistake. The way the world is going, we'll need your skills more than ever.
Või mitte. Sekunti tulnud sõpru juurde. Keda järjekord hävitada. Ja see missioon sai läbi. Tänan, et vaatasite. Kohtume järgmise video ajal. Nägemist!